Good morning, girls. Girls, good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Hafsa,
Morning,
first
ma'am.
mute yourself. Hafsa, mute yourself first. Okay, ma. So yesterday till where we have completed?
Till second column.
Column 2, ma'am.
Column 2 completed. Column 2 totally completed.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, you have to repeat it again.
I have to repeat it again.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Last
Okay,
point.
ma. Okay, ma. I'm repeating. Column 2. Be ready with your books.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, just to wait.
Okay. Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. In this column, the name of the account to be debited is written first. Right? In this column, the name of the account to be written first and is written close to the line marked. The word DR is written near the line marked. Sorry, the word DR is written. In the next line, the account to be credited is written. I think so. Like this, I said no. In the second line, some space is left,
Yes,
and the word to is written
Ma'am,
before the
you have
name of the
written,
account.
you have said DR return at the end of the first line.
Yeah. In the second line, some space is left,
And the
and
word
word
two
to
is
is
written.
written before the name of the account to be credited.
Till here we have written.
Okay, ma. Then after that,
The name of the account.
name of the account to be credited. After that, then the name of the account to be credited is written. Then
Ma'am, once you repeat from the second line, some space is left.
okay. In the second line, some space is left, and the word in inverted commas you should write to. TO2 is written before the name of the account to be credited. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the name of the account to be credited. Then the name of the account to be credited is written. Written. In the next line, a brief explanation. Next para. A brief explanation. Usually beginning with the word.
A brief? Can you repeat, ma'am?
Explanation. A brief explanation.
From the in the next line.
Yeah, in the next line you should write this. A brief explanation, comma, usually beginning with the word. In inverted commas you should write being.
Oh.
In inverted commas you should write being is written called narration.
Narration.
A brief explanation usually beginning with the word being is written called narration.
Written, ma'am.
The narration explains. Continuation. The narration explains the reason. The narration explains the reason for debiting and crediting the particular account, debiting and crediting the particular account, and helps one to understand the nature and purpose of the journal entry.
To understand
Understand the nature and purpose
nature
of the journal entry at a future date.
journal entry.
Journal entry at a future date. To
Yes,
separate
ma'am.
one entry.
Finished.
To separate one entry from another. Comma. A line is drawn below. Every entry to cover particulars column. Particulars column only. This line does not extend to
Ma'am, column only.
cover particulars column only. This line does not extend to other columns. Written. This line does not extend to other columns.
Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now, column 3. In bracket you write LF, capital letters, LF. Under that you write LF stands for
Ma'am, from your para starts.
no ma, third column. This is the third column.
Yes, yes.
Second one we have finished. Now third one, LF. In the bracket you should write, and for that explanation is LF stands for ledger folio, which means page of the ledger. In this column,
Ma'am, can you repeat?
please let's write fast. LF stands for ledger folio, which means page of the ledger. In this column, are entered the page numbers. In this column are entered the page numbers. On which the various accounts
Uzma Zubeda, please mute yourself.
Various accounts.
entered the page numbers on which the various accounts appear in the ledger. Written? Now
Yes, ma'am.
column 4
Ma'am, on which various accounts appear?
in the ledger. Column 4, in bracket you write debit amount. Written?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In
Written.
this column, in this column, in this column,
In this column,
the amount to be debited
the amount is debited
in this column, the amount to be debited against the
against the
debit. In the short form, you should write DR. Instead of writing debit, you should write there DR in the inverted commas.
okay.
DR account is written.
Against the, ma'am.
Why ma this much disturbance? In this column, the amount to be debited against the debit account is written along with the nature of currency. Along with the nature of currency. Along with the nature of currency.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next, column 5. Column 5. In bracket, you should write credit amount. In this column, in this column,
In this column,
in this column, the amount to be credited against the
against
credit against the credit account. Short form you should write CR is written
Against the
written- CR account is written along with the nature of currency. Along with the nature of currency.
Finish,
yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am. Finish.
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah. This answer I also completed. Now I'm starting the problems, girls. Those who are having the textbook, they should take out page number B27. Those who are having the textbook, take out page number B27. Take out it.
Yes, ma'am.
Page Those number? Not,
Yes, ma'am.
B27.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So those who are not having, for them, I'm showing the problem. As you can see, short problems. First one, they are asking that classify the following under personal, real, and nominal account. Means here they have given. We have to here identify that whether it will come under the personal account, real account, and the nominal account. Okay.
Yes.
First one you see, first one is a stock.
Stock.
Coming to stock,
Real account.
real account. Good. Second one is goodwill. Goodwill will come under
Nominal account.
Nominal account.
goodwill is a asset.
Real account.
Goodwill is a asset.
Real
So
account.
under the real account. Then coming to the third one.
Loan.
Third one, as you can see, it is loan.
Liability.
Coming to the loan is
Personal account.
a loan will come under the personal account. Why? Because one person is taking the loan now, so it will come under the personal account. Fourth one is fixtures. Fixtures will come under
Real account.
Real account.
real account because it is asset. Next is the bank overdraft.
Personal account.
Personal account. Good. Cash.
Real account.
Cash is an
Cash.
asset. Cash is an asset. So under which
Real
account?
account.
Real account.
Real
Any doubt in this?
No.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, my back also they have given few things. Then seventh one is capital account. Capital account will come under
Personal account.
Real account.
capital account. Capital is
Personal
the
account.
personal
Liability.
account. The personal account. Capital means here one person is representing the one person is investing the money, so you're indirectly representing a person. No?
Yes.
The next is
Bank.
bank. Coming to the bank,
Real.
bank will come under the real account. Bank will come under the real account because it is an asset. Next is drawings.
Real account.
No,
Personal.
drawing.
Oh,
It is a
Nominal
personal
account.
personal account because it is representing a person. The next one is P. Peter.
Personal account.
personal account.
Okay. Then third one also they have given. Second one also you see. Classify the following accounts into personal, real, and nominal. Loan from bank.
Personal
Real
account.
account.
Real account.
How it will come real account? Tell me.
Personal.
Personal account. Because it
Personal
is
account. Personal account, ma'am.
Personal account. Loan they are taking. So you are representing a person. The next is furniture.
real account.
Real account.
Real account.
Interest.
Real account.
Personal.
Personal account.
Interest will come under the personal account.
account. Interest nominal account.
That only ma. Three options are there. One by one you say over. No? ये नहीं तो वो नहीं तो ये ना.
Interest.
Interest. Coming to interest.
Nominal account.
Is nothing but we can treat it as an expense or a disturbance. So much disturbance. Uzma.
Nazmeen.
Nazrin, mute ma. So coming to the interest we can treat it as an expense or a income for the business because clearly they have not mentioned that whether it is interest paid or the interest received. Yes.
Yes.
So it will come under the nominal account. The next one is brand name.
Personal account.
Real
Personal
account.
account.
Brand name.
Real account.
Personal.
They
Personal.
have given here brand name. Brand name means
Name of the brand.
name of the
Company's
brand.
name brand.
Good. Personal account. The next is cash at bank.
Real account.
Real account.
Real account.
The next one is reserve for bad debts.
Nominal account.
Nominal account.
Nominal account.
The next one is outstanding income.
Nominal account.
No, outstanding income.
Real
They have given
account.
Outstanding, it will come under the. Yesterday we have discussed the representative personal account.
Personal account. I
In
said.
that I said no outstanding income, prepaid insurance, outstanding salary like this. There means it is indirectly representing a person. It will come under the personal account. The next one is trading account.
Real account.
Real
Trading,
account.
Why
profit
it
and
will come under
loss.
trading account?
Because
Trading of goods and services. Goods
So,
are
so
no,
asset.
reserved
trading they have
net
given.
profit.
So it is a name, no? Trading is nothing but it is a
Personal
name, no?
account.
So it will come under the personal account. The next is investment.
Ma'am, import duty.
Real account.
Sorry, import duty.
Real account.
Import duty will
Import
come under
duties
the
are
nominal
nothing but custom duties,
Nominal
na?
account.
Yeah,
Nominal
yeah.
account.
It is a expense for the business. That's why it will come under the nominal account. The next is income
Income
received in advance.
received in advance. Prepaid.
Personal
Personal account.
account.
Personal account, good. The next one is investment.
Real
Real
account.
Personal
account.
account.
Real account,
Real.
investment is an asset. Real account. Next, income received in advance.
Ma'am, capital.
Wait,
Personal
ma.
account.
Personal account.
Income received in advance.
Personal account.
Personal account.
Capital account.
Personal account.
Personal
Personal
account.
Personal
account.
Personal
account.
account.
Okay. The next one you see. Classify the following transactions. Sorry. Classify the following accounts into personal, real, and nominal. As I
Account.
shown the two problems to you. Third one I'm giving homework.
Okay.
Okay. You can take the screenshot, ma. I am showing you those not having the textbook. Take the screenshot. Fast.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Why, ma? It's clearly showing now.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the second problem, interest is empty, like interest on nothing is there. And in this third problem, interest on drawings is there. So it will not come in the nominal account, obviously.
Ma'am, it will come
under the
in personal
nominal.
account.
Personal.
It will come under the nominal
Personal
only.
account.
Interest they have given. So it is nothing but the expense. So coming to the expenses, expense will come under the
Wait,
nominal
but
account.
ma'am is also
Ma'am,
giving drawings na ma'am.
Yeah, ma. So they are paying the interest on drawings. They are paying interest on drawings. They are paying the interest.
so it is loss for the company. because
So it
they
is a
are
loss
paying-
for the company. That's why it is an expense for the company. That's why it will. We should treat it as a expense, and it will come under the nominal account.
Yes.
Over my screenshot.
Yes.
Now I'm showing the next one.
ma'am.
Fourth one, as you can see, analyze the following transactions according to traditional method and the modern approach method. That is nothing but the accounting equation method, and we should write the journal entries also. For this also, if you have the question, it will be better, ma.
Yes.
So what you will do now? Question. Now out of 72 students, only the hardly 20 girls also not having the textbook. So remaining 50, what I should do? No, remaining 55.
Ma'am, do one thing. Just you take the pic and share that pic, so your screen will not shake or move. If
You
you
only
share
take
the pic.
normal.
Okay, ma'am. I'll
Yeah,
do it.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. I'm showing now clearly. You share and you keep in the group, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a minute, just a minute, ma. I'll show with the amounts. First you take this one because amounts also not coming at a time. With this, if it will come, it will good. You see now? Take the screenshot, ma. Finished?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
No, ma'am, everybody's talking, so their profile pictures are coming on the screen.
Don't talk, ma. Mute yourself. Just listen. So first, I'm showing under the traditional method to you. So before starting the journal entries, just a few points I want to discuss with you guys. After discussion, I'll start this problem. Okay? What I said, understood?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
I said before starting this problem, just I want to discuss few things with you. After that, I'll start the problem. Okay? So generally, whenever we are writing the journal entries, you should remember few things. What is that means? First one is capital account. Okay, what do you mean by capital? Practicals?
The amount which invested by owner.
Please, ma, so much disturbance, and I'm
Not
getting so
invested
much
by the
disturbance. First,
owner to
mute
run the
yourself.
business.
I'm getting so much disturbance. First, mute, ma. So coming to capital account is nothing but if the proprietor has introduced the cash or goods or property in the business, then it will come under the capital. Concept. As per the business entity concept, business and the proprietor, these are the two separate entities. So whenever we are writing the transaction, we should see from the eyes of the business, not from the eyes of the proprietor. तो यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे proprietor cash या फिर property or goods he is investing into the business. So when he is investing these things for the business, what is coming? See, as per the cash or property or the goods, this will come under which account?
Capital.
Cash, property, or
Real
goods will come
account.
under which
Real
account?
account.
It will come under
Real
the
account.
real account. So
Real
what is the
account.
rule of the real account? What is the rule of the real account?
Debit
What
Debit
comes in?
what comes
Credit
in,
what goes
Debit
out.
what comes in, credit what goes out. So for the business now, cash is coming now. When
Yes.
the proprietor is investing the cash or the goods or the property, for the business cash is coming or the goods is coming or the property is coming. So what is coming that we have to debit. So that's why every time what we should do, whenever the capital will be there, whenever the capital account will be there, always we have to debit the cash, stock or property account. Whenever the capital account will be there, capital account means they will not give their capital account, just they will give that so and so person invested the cash in the business. Started the business, or Ramesh
Commence
commenced
the
the business.
business.
Like this they will give, means it means that it is a capital. Whatever amount he is investing into the business, it is called as a capital. So whenever like this will be there, always you have to debit the cash account. Suppose if he is bringing the cash, you have to debit the cash. Suppose if he is bringing any furniture or anything will be there, no assets is bringing, means that you have to debit, and every time you have to credit the capital account, because here coming to the capital account will come under the personal account. As per the rule of the personal account,
Debit the
to
receiver, credit the giver.
the giver. Now here proprietor is a giver. Here proprietor is a giver. That's why proprietor account we have to credit. Any doubt?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, once again, please, I didn't understood.
Okay, ma. Coming to the capital account is nothing but if the proprietor is investing the cash or goods or the property into the business, it is called as a capital. So whenever we are writing the journal entries, we should see from the eyes of the business, not from the eyes of the owner. So for the business,
Yes.
whenever the owner is investing the money for the business, cash is coming. Coming to the cash will come under the real account. As per the rule of the real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So for the business, cash is coming. That's why cash account we have to debit. And whenever the proprietor is investing the amount, that is called as a capital. So here,
Ma'am, here cash, we have cash, what we are getting, we have to debit, means like what we are getting, we have to keep in bank.
I didn't get what you're asking.
I understood. Cash we are getting, what should we do with that?
No, ma. See, when we are starting the business, so for doing the things, we need the cash, no? Why will keep in the bank?
Okay, okay.
For running the business, we need the cash, no?
Yes.
Why they will keep in the bank then?
Then what is debit, ma'am? Actually, debit means they're investing.
Yeah, no, ma. See, here already we have discussed no 3 rules. 3 accounts are there. Personal account is there, real account is there, nominal account is there.
Yes.
So see, just
Yes,
one thing,
ma'am.
that all things you leave all that things. Just to remember one thing: what is coming to the business? What is coming to the business that you have to debit, and what is going or who is giving, that you have to credit.
Okay,
These
what
two
are
things you
things
have to debit.
from business? We are,
Coming aspect, receiving aspect. These 2 things you have to debit. Coming aspect, receiving aspect, you have to debit every time. Giving aspect or giver aspect, going aspect, that every time you have to credit. Okay. So here
Yes,
the owner is investing the money. Suppose if the name of the person they have given, means that account you have to credit. So every time capital account you have to credit here. Okay. The next one is drawings. Coming to the drawings, what do you mean by drawings, ma?
amount withdrawn from the
Owner
Withdrawn of
withdrawn part for use
personal
for
use.
personal use.
If the owner is withdrawing the money for his personal use,
personal
that is
use,
called as a
business is known as
Drawings.
drawings. So here, coming to the drawings, whenever the owner is withdrawing, so for the business, cash is coming or going?
Going.
Cash is going. So cash, coming to the cash, cash will come under which account?
Real
Real
account.
account.
It will come under the real account.
Real account.
So as per the rule of the real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Here cash is going. That's why cash account we have to credit. And
Credit.
whenever the owner will take the money for his personal use, it is called as a drawings. Okay, so here the owner is receiving the money. Here owner is taking the goods from the business. Suppose if he is taking the goods from the business, then we have to debit the purchase account. Be remember one thing. Suppose if the owner is withdrawing the cash, so here owner is receiving the money. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here owner is receiving the cash, but from the business cash is going. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So as I said you, whenever we are writing the transactions, we should see the transactions as per the business. So from the business cash is going means we have to credit the cash. Suppose if the owner is withdrawing the goods means we have to credit the purchase. Why? Because already I said you goods means in that many commodities will come. Particularly they did not mention that which type of business is doing, which type of goods is dealing. That's why what we should do, instead of crediting the goods account, we have to credit the purchase account. And here owner is receiving the money. That's why, as I said you, receiving aspect we have to debit. Here owner is receiving the money. That's why what we are doing here, drawings account we are debiting. Be remember every time, capital account every time you have to credit, and drawings account every time you have to debit. Okay, are you getting?
drawings should be debited.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
And credited.
capital account every
No,
time
ma'am.
Capital
Drawing
account.
should be credited. Now only you told giving and going is in credit. So cash is going means it is debiting, crediting, na?
crediting. No, ma, see, from the business
Yeah.
cash is going, so we are crediting the cash.
Sunil.
Here cash is going, that's why we are crediting the cash. Who is receiving here?
So it's crediting.
Sarah, once you do the problem, no, you'll get to know what should be debited and what should be credited. Just don't worry. This is the starting point for you, no?
Okay, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I proceed for the third one?
Yes,
Third
ma'am.
one is nothing but cash or the credit transactions. So coming to the cash or credit transactions is nothing but, suppose if we are purchasing the goods for cash, if the business people are purchasing the goods for cash or selling the goods for cash, then it is called as a cash transaction. अगर बिजनेस वाले गुड्स खरीद रहे या फिर बेच रहे कैश बेसिस पे, मींस immediately they are giving the cash or immediately they are receiving the cash, then it is called as a cash transaction. Okay,
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
suppose if they've given that goods are purchased or sold on credit, or
Okay.
goods are purchased or sold from Ram, like this if they will give, then it is a credit transaction. It means that later they will do the payment. It means that
Okay.
later they will do the payment. Is it clear with
Only
this?
name is given. Only name is given, then it is credit transaction.
Yeah. Suppose if the transaction is like this, goods purchased from Ram for cash. Suppose if they will give the transaction as goods purchased from Ram for cash, then
Then
it
it
is
is
a
cash transaction.
Because here they are
transaction.
mentioned no cash they are giving, so it is a cash
Yes.
transactions. Suppose if they are giving that goods purchased from Ram, then it is a credit
Then
transaction.
it is credit transaction. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes.
the next is,
Ma'am, the cash transaction always should be in the debit side.
what cash transactions always? I didn't say
Always
no
should
comment.
be debited.
Debit side.
For this, I did not said that debit and credit, just I said about the cash and credit transaction. Okay, for that also one example I'll show you. Then you will get the clarity. suppose if the transaction is like this. Suppose if the transaction is like this. Goods purchased for cash. It means that we are purchasing the goods by giving the cash. Okay? Your businessman is purchasing the goods for cash. So when he is purchasing the goods, what he is receiving here?
Cash.
Goods.
Goods. Cash.
Goods purchase account debited
yeah.
to
देखो
cash
आप
account.
है ना just listen. Suppose आप है ना ड्रेस खरीदे शॉप जा रहे, वहाँ ड्रेस खरीद के पैसे देके वहाँ पे ड्रेस खरीदते, तो आपके पास क्या था?
Dress.
What will go from you?
Cash.
Cash.
Same way here, what they are doing, they are purchasing the goods here. Okay. So
Yes.
as I said you earlier, coming to the goods, goods will come under, many come under goods, many commodities will come. Particularly if they did not mention that machinery purchase or the furniture purchase like this, if they will not give, no, every time what we should do means here they are purchasing the goods.
Purchase account.
Instead of taking the goods, every time what we should do, we should take here purchase account. अब जब अपन खरीद रहे अपने पास goods आ रहे, so instead of debiting the goods account, we have to debit the purchase account. Okay, what is going from the business? Cash is going. That's why we have to credit the cash. As I said you, whenever you are crediting, always we have to use the word as to. Okay, suppose instead of this, if they will give that goods purchased from Ram,
It's credit basis.
that goods purchased from Ram, it means that they are purchasing the goods on credit basis. So when we are purchasing, goods are coming. That's why what we are doing, instead of debiting the goods account, we are debiting the purchase account. Okay, but here we are not giving the cash now. अब बिजनेस में से कुछ भी नहीं जा रहा, अपने को आ रहा है यहाँ पे, लेकिन कुछ भी जा रहा नहीं, लेकिन दे रहे कौन यहाँ पे? दे रहे कौन अपने?
Ram.
So Ram is a giver here. Ram is a giver here. That's why
To Ram account.
To Ram account.
Okay. Suppose if they will
Yes.
give
Yes,
that
ma'am.
goods purchased from Ram for cash.
For cash.
Then
Purchase account data to cash account.
the
Cash.
cash, which means
So
that
in place of Ram, we will write cash.
instead of writing the Ram, we should write as a cash. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Cash transaction and the credit transaction.
Yes, ma'am.
And one more thing, ma. Next one, goods given away as charity. What do you mean by charity?
Charity.
Donation.
Donation.
Donations.
Nothing but, like, suppose if they are giving some goods from the business to a charity people, to a particular person or the institutions, then it should be debited to the charity account, because from the business goods are going, but who is receiving here? Who is receiving?
The charity.
Charity
people. That's
people.
why charity account we have to debit. Suppose if you are giving the cash, then cash account we have to credit. Suppose if they are giving the goods, then what we have to credit? We have to credit the purchase account. Again, I am repeating.
Ma'am, if we do charity, we will not get anything, no? Not money and not also goods.
What I
Then-
said here, goods given to charity, यानी कि बिजनेस वाले चैरिटी लोगों को पैसे दे रहे या फिर गुड्स दे रहे. Business people are giving them. When they are giving, that time it's going or not going to the charity people?
Yes.
So
Yes.
It's going.
who is receiving your benefit? Charity people are
Charity.
receiving.
Charity account.
people.
Charity
Yes.
people are receiving the benefit. That's why what we should do?
Charity account.
Account debited
Account
to
debited.
purchase
Charity
account.
account should be debited.
Suppose instead of goods,
To
it will
cash
mention
account.
here cash. Then what we should do? We have to,
To cash.
Cash.
but here cash they
Yes.
have not given. What they have given here? Goods.
Goods.
To
Purchase account.
purchase.
Cash की जगह goods
This
लिखना.
means many commodities will come. So instead of taking the goods, we should take it as a purchase.
Purchase.
account.
Purchase
Charity
account.
account
Okay.
to purchase account. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next I want to discuss about the compound journal entry. What do you mean by compound journal entry?
Combination of
Combination.
Suppose if two or more transactions of similar nature occurring on the same day, either debit or credit account is common, then that can be conveniently recorded in one journal entry instead of making a separate entry. Compound entry means, suppose I'll give an example to you. Like
Two or
suppose,
three lines of debit. And
suppose
two or
if the
three lines
owner
of
is,
credit.
suppose if the transaction is like this. Ram commenced business
With cash.
with cash rupees 10,000, furniture 5,000, machinery 3,000. Okay. So here, when the Ram is starting the business, he is bringing to the business cash also bringing, furniture also bringing, machinery also bringing. These three things also coming to the business. Three
At
things
same
also
date.
So
coming to the business.
business,
So
furniture
instead of
account
writing,
debtor, cash account debtor, machinery account debtor.
so instead of writing separate entry as cash account to capital, furniture account debtor to capital, machinery account debtor to capital, what we are doing here, instead of writing like that, what we are doing here, we are writing the entry as cash account debtor, furniture account debtor, machinery account debtor to capital account. So at a time, what I have done, at a time, I have debited the three accounts. I have debited the three accounts. So this is called as a compound journal entry. This is called as a compound journal entry. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, two
ma'am.
cash account.
क्रेडिट किसके लिए हो रहा?
huh? Credit?
Two
Capital account.
Ram capital account, because Ram is starting the business.
credited, ma'am.
Whatever amount is investing into the business, it is called as a capital. Right, girls?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
So before starting the fourth problem, just answer your attendance, girls. Then I'll start that. Okay, girls from Malakpet, raise your hand. Girls from Malakpet, raise your hand. Okay, lower your hand. Lower your hand, girls. Lower your hand. Three more girls are still raising. Two more girls. Lower your hand, I said. Now, girls from Shalibanda, raise your hand. Girls from Shalibanda.
Hafsa Khatun, Huma Karim, raise your hands.
These people are sleeping.
Sayyida Amtul Jasmine.
Daily I'm saying again, same people are repeating.
Uzma Fatima.
Nada Fahim. Rubina. Rukhsar.
सो गए माँ सब लोग?
There are many girls, ma'am, who didn't raise the hands.
That only, ma, I'm asking that what is the problem? Why they're not raising the hand?
Shaista Shalibanda also.
Ummehani.
Raise your hand, ma. Okay, ma. Now lower your hand. Lower your hand.
Ma'am, 6 girls did not raise.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Let it be there. It's their loss. If they're not lifting, means it's their loss. Now, I'm showing the fourth one, ma. Coming to the fourth problem, as I said to that, when I shown the problem, I asked you to take the screenshot. Have you taken? Yes, girls.
Yes,
Are you there?
Yes.
Coming to the so first I'm showing the traditional approach method. Okay.
Yes.
So traditional approach method is nothing but writing the journal entries. Traditional approach method is nothing but writing the journal entries. So coming to the first one, commenced business with cash.
Cash account debtor.
Cash account to capital account.
Commenced business with cash is nothing but the owner of the business is starting the business with investing the cash. Your name of the person they have not given. So when he is commencing the business, for the business cash is coming. That's why cash account we have to debit. And here who is giving here? The owner is giving the money. That is nothing but it is called as a capital. That's why we have to create the capital account. So the entry will come as cash account attached to capital account. The entry will come
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
now. Now it's visible, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 minute, ma. Just I'll draw the format and I'll show. So coming to this, this is the format. That is nothing but date, particulars, LF, debit amount rupees and the credit amount rupees. And already I said you that date column should be small, particulars column should be broad, as you can see here. LF column should be small, very small, debit amount rupees, and credit column, like these columns you have to draw. And for the first transaction, they did not given the date for this problem. That's why
Yes.
the date column I am not mentioning anything. Okay, just they have given the transaction as commenced business with cash. So when they are commencing the business, for the business cash is coming. So from this corner line we have to start as cash account by debiting. That's why cash account I'm writing. So when we are debiting, what we should do till the end, here we should write the short form as debit. Cash account, debtor. Which account we are creating now? Capital account we are creating.
Capital.
As I said to
Yes.
that, when we are writing in the second line, we have to leave some space on the left hand side and we should write the word as to. We are creating the capital account, so we should write as to
Capital.
capital account.
Account. 50,000, 50,000.
So amount they have given as 50,000. So debit column, debit amount we have to write it as 50,000. And credit amount
column.
we have to write it as 50,000.
50,000.
Okay. And compulsory whenever we are writing this, we have to
Narration.
write the narration. And when we are writing the narration, compulsory we have to write in brackets. And we should write the word as being.
Being business commenced with cash.
So narration means here brief expression of this transaction we should write. It is nothing but being
Commenced business with cash.
business with cash.
Yes.
Business with cash.
Business commenced with cash, and after that we have to complete the bracket. Okay. After that, what we should do? We should draw the line compulsory. Only under the particulars column you should write, not fully. Just under the particulars column you should draw the line. Any doubt?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Coming to the second transaction. Second transaction they have given that amount borrowed from Rajesh. Amount borrowed means what?
Cash is coming.
Cash is coming.
Okay, cash is coming. Good. So what we should do? Cash account we have to debit.
Cash account data to
Cash account data to
Rajesh account.
Who is giving here? Rajesh is giving.
Rajesh.
Giver.
What I am doing here, Rajesh is the giver. That's why Rajesh account I am creating here. But when we are borrowing, borrowing यानी कि ले रहे ना अपन उधार ले रहे ना. Borrowing means I think so you know the meaning of the borrow. It is nothing. It's a loan. Means here Rajesh is giving the loan to us. So what we should do? We should write
Rajesh
loan
account
to Rajesh loan account. Coming to the amount is 20,000. In the amount column we should write 20,000. Debit column also, credit column also. Again for this we should write the narration in the bracket. Being
amount borrowed from Rajesh.
Being cash or
cash borrowed from Rajesh.
From Rajesh.
Rajesh.
From Rajesh.
And bracket close. After this, again, what we should do? We should draw the line.
Line.
Is it clear, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
First in your notes, start writing this.
Check.
In first, you open your notes and draw the format.
Ma'am, we don't have to do the starting problems 1, 2, 3.
That no, ma, no need. In the textbook, you do it itself enough. The textbook itself is enough.
Okay.
Disturbance are getting so much disturbance.
After the who need your help, please.
Rent account data.
Hafsa Zahur.
Over ma drawing the format?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write on first entry. Cash account attached to capital account. Cash account attached to capital account. Right now I show no how to write.
Yes.
Yes.
Cash account attached to capital account. Debit column, credit column, write the amount as 50,000. Debit column, yes, disturbance. Debit
Cash
column, credit
account.
column 50,000.
Yes.
Then in the bracket you write. Next line in bracket you write. Being business commenced with cash. Being business commenced with cash. Bracket close. And after that you should draw the line. Afterwards you draw the line. Now write the second one. Second one. Cash account attached to Rajesh loan account. Cash account attached to Rajesh loan account, amount 20,000. Narration, being amount borrowed from Rajesh. Amount column written 20,000.
Yes.
Okay, ma, time is not there. I have to take the next class also. I'm stopping here only.
Okay, ma'am.
You draw and keep the format, complete format. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.